Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. After that we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Skype. When you find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can click here and install, and you can wait a moment to install again your Skype. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your